So we are listing this beautiful home at 5828 Mclennan Ranch in Carson Ranch off the 215 in Jones, North Jones. So it has a nice cute front yard. You can see it's a well-maintained community. The driveway is a stamped concrete, sealed. We have this nice security fence coming in. I'm going to come in the front door here. Nice little covered area. These are the floors. And then when you come in, we have this living room space here. Now, this is a 3-bedroom property. And there is this 3rd bedroom right off the front entrance with a double door. So it could be a den or an office, but that has a closet. And it's also a full bathroom, which we'll take a look at that here. Let me turn around here, get out of the way. So it's a 3/4 bathroom. Okay. I'm going to go back out into to the right here of the entrance. And this is where we're going to see some of the secondary bedrooms. This is the hallway bathroom. It is a full bath, tub shower combo. Nice cabinets. This is the bedroom. It's at the front of the property, right at the front door. And it has a walk-in closet. And like I said, it's at the front of the property, as you can see there. Nice windows for natural light. We're going to come back this way. We'll have the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom has a door that exits to the backyard. Here, shutters, 3 windows bring in some natural light. Good use of space. This looks like a New York king size bed, so everything fits. We have a separate shower and tub combo. We have dual sinks here. We have a water closet to our left and linen closet to the right. And then you have the walk-in closet. Lots of space. Good sized closet. So let's go back out here and I'll take you into the living space. So this is your living room with the stacked stone fireplace. This fireplace is actually very functional. It warms up the house quite efficiently and overlooks the outdoor living space. Has a wet bar, wine fridge. I'm sorry, it's a dry bar with a wine fridge, granite countertops, and we have the wine rack. We have the island bar, and you have your eat-in kitchen space. Cabinets with handles, hardware. It has the under cabinet windows for natural light. Double ovens. And a nice, good size pantry. Let's take a peek in there. All nice and organized. Okay. And then you have, this is your garage entrance and your laundry room. And it has a sink in there as well. Again, nice our storage cabinets. I'm going to take you to the backyard here. So this is a stamped concrete, looks like wood plank for the patio flooring, ceiling fans. Nice private backyard. And you can see lots of beautiful flowers. And the area that I'm standing in is like an extended cover for the patio here. There's actually recessed lighting within the covered patio. You have this barbecue island, drawers, barbecue. Lots of counter space. This actually has a sink. Now this sink could stay as a sink, or you can just convert it to a beverage holder, whichever you prefer. And we have this little hidden trash can down there. And then this, from the stacked stone, you push a little hidden door, and it will open up the access to trash. So everything's nice and tidy. The island has these chairs. They are attached. The fabric can be refinished. It's not your taste, but you can see it creates a lot of seating. 9 seats between this side and this side. And again, a peek at the backyard here. Very cozy, quaint, cute backyard. On the right-hand side of the property is a dog run. It's really the east side, I should say. It has a wrought iron gate. And it's a place where your AC units will go, storage, whatever you prefer. Here's an angle from this side. All right, so this is 5828 Mclennan Ranch in Carson Ranch. If you would like to have more information, please give us a call, 702-838-7700.